new sound if it is. If you use this sound, if it turns out to be a new sound, if you use it, I will like your video, comment, maybe, or if you're lucky, I will subscribe. Try to make the funniest version of this. Good luck.
Wait! They don't love you like I love you. Wait! They don't love you like I love you. And
Good luck on making that much more funny, which you'll probably find a way. But if this is a new sound, please use it. And if you can't find anybody else using it, I'll just name this video New Funny Trend LOL or something like that.